Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put makeup on your face or change makeup on Dress to Impress. Okay, as you can see guys, this is me and I'm going to put makeup to my face. As you can see, I'm still plain and I'm going to show you how we can put makeup on this face. If you want to put makeup, you can go to the salon. You can enter the salon and then you're going to go to the section right here. Okay, you can tap on this icon, this heart icon. Okay, and here you'll be able to apply makeup or change makeup. Okay, and you can see the timer right here guys. If the time is still running, you won't be able to move to another section. Okay, you can choose the makeup that you like according to the theme. And the theme is detective versus suspect. I want to be the detective, so I'm going to choose this one or this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, guys, or the detective. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put makeup or change makeup style and Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.